Welcome to Section 8. In this last section of our video manual, I'll tell you very briefly about syncing to tape and other external sequencing devices, and also about some of the miscellaneous MIDI functions. These topics are explained in detail in your manual. The sync section of the MPC60 is very powerful. For example, it can sync to 7 different types of sync signals: SMPTE, MIDI clock song position pointer, MIDI timecode, FSK, pulse sync, and it'll even sync to any audio signal playing quarter notes. When using SMPTE, the MPC60 can play in perfect sync even if the tape is played from the middle of the song. It automatically finds the correct location and starts playing in sync. This is sometimes called SMPTE chase. This feature also works when syncing to MIDI song position pointer and MIDI timecode, which is basically SMPTE encoded over MIDI. All parameters related to sync are presented in the sync screen. To view the sync screen, press the tempo sync key, then press the sync screen soft key. In your manual are step-by-step instructions on how to sync to each of the different types of sync signals. The last key I'll tell you about is the MIDI key. From this screen, you can do the following things. You can assign the 4 MIDI output jacks. You can play the internal drums from an external MIDI keyboard and select which notes play which drums. You can play an external MIDI synthesizer from the internal drums and select which drums play which MIDI notes. Also, you can filter out certain MIDI events from the incoming keyboard data before recording it into sequences. You can set the MIDI channel which the internal drums play from. And finally, you can select whether or not the incoming keyboard notes are sent to the MIDI output as they. Well, we finally finished. In conclusion, I'd like to thank you for buying the MPC60, and I hope you enjoy using it as much as we enjoyed creating it. Thank you, and goodbye.